Hello guys, this is my new video again, coming with the updates for my previous gnome plugin dev container manager. This plugin gnome extension I had written to control and manipulate different kind of containers and clusters on our local machine Ubuntu with gnome desktop. You can see that previously we had these two button icons here, which could allow you to interact with Docker containers and kind clusters. Here you can create kind cluster. Say you want to create a new client cluster with configuration, and you can operate and stop different Docker containers or restart the containers as you wish, and view the logs or interact with the containers through shell. Here you can see these options are working. You can also filter the containers based on their execution status, like suppose if containers are running or paused, they can be listed, or if the containers are stopped, they will be filtered out here on this button. You can also delete the containers and remove them from the system. Here you can just create a new container kind cluster. You can see that here. If you want, you can just create another kind cluster, and this should work as is. So our kind cluster is being created here. Once the kind cluster is available, you can see that here the new uh, uh, Docker containers are being spawned. You can uh, change the context for the Kubernetes cluster, and depending on the new cluster creation, you can change the context here. Similarly, you can see we have here two different buttons where you can control the ollama models and chat with those models from this second button. So in order to check what different models are loaded on the content system, you can use this ollama button here. It lists here two models. You can switch the default model which we can use for this chat from the other button, but if you want to start, you can click on this green llama face and it will start the model accordingly. And you can see the status of this running here, and you can check the details of the model here, listed here. And if you want to start interaction, what is model details in short, you can type something here, and it does remember the history, so you can interact with the previously chat context, and that will give you the details here. Similarly, if you switch the context and uh, now you try to interact, it will start the other model. You can see that I'm going to start this question, but the context has been changed, so it started the current context model with this information. You can see. Similarly, you can stop the content this particular model running in the background by clicking on this red icon, and it will stop the container. If you want to unload or delete the containers, you can just go ahead and click on this delete icon, and it will completely remove the model data from your machine. Please like, or subscribe to my channel, and let me know if you have any suggestions for uh, improving this plugin and extension, gnome extension. You can download and install this gnome extension from this gnome extension extensions from here. You can see this gnome extension is available here in uh, gnome extension site. Thanks.